Welcome to Part 2, LearnAccountingFast.com's programs, The Summary. A summary of learning experiences that can be found at LearnAccountingFast.com, where we develop business intelligence through financial literacy. I'm your host, Colin Burr. Inside today's video, we'll show you the courses available to you at LearnAccountingFast.com. We begin with the basic understanding your numbers, moving on to know your numbers. Once you know your numbers, how to manage your numbers. We then have a bookkeeping course on accurate and efficient bookkeeping. And finally, how your actions impact your financial statements. So let's get started and join our facilitator, Peter Ho.
Number four is a two-day course called Bookkeeping. And this course covers the whole process of scorekeeping, starting from the source document, the chart of account, the books of account, ending up in producing the profit and loss account, balance sheet, and cash flow. Now, we create the books, cash book, stock book, debtors, creditors, so that participants actually do the actual recording of the transaction. This takes 2 days. Our final course, number 5, is how your action impacts your financial statement. Now, normally what happens is at the end of the period when we get a financial statement, we look at the financial, we analyze and we take action. In this particular course, we teach you how to design. If you know what you do is going to impact your financial statement, we make sure that we behave or take action that will be most beneficial to our financial performance. Now, all these courses are done using accelerated learning. We use mind pictures like this. Mind pictures. Why? All the concept that we have is reduced into pictures. Because the mind thinks in pictures. When I say bread, you don't spell B-R-E-A-D, you think of a picture, bread. And the most effective way is to create these pictures. As I always say, if you bring your grandmother to this course, because we use pictures and a simple language, she will learn accounting at the end of the course. And we conduct this course as far north as Japan, China, down in Hong Kong, Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and as far down south as New Zealand and Australia, and down up to the Middle East, Dubai, Oman. And because we use this technology, the language does not come into as a barrier to learning. So this course that we do make it very exciting, simple, and enjoyable. The 5 courses that we do is understand your numbers, know your numbers, manage your numbers, bookkeeping, and how your action impact your action. In the next series of tape, we will go into detail and explain to you what the different courses entails and how it would benefit you from attending this course.
At LearnAccountingFast.com, it's not the amount of training that counts, it's the amount of learning that matters, and we offer you a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. So let's summarize each program. First, understand your numbers. A fun one-day learning experience where you understand how management and accountant work as a team, what are the elements of a successful business, and how accounting keeps track of these elements of business. And finally, financial reports. What are they and how they show you the results of all of your past business decisions. Next we have Know Your Numbers. 2 days of joyful learning and developing business intelligence. You'll know the roles of management and accountant. You'll fully understand financial reports and what they're telling you and how to take action while saving cash flow and ensure the success of your business. And finally, how to plan and achieve your goals on time and within budget. then manage your numbers, a 2-day program developing your business intelligence with a solid foundation of financial literacy. You'll know where and how to improve the cash flow of any business, how to make a business profitable now, and what price you need to win the deal, any deal that you may have, and how to get the best return always, now and in the future. It's not the amount of training that counts, it's the amount of learning that matters at learnaccountingfast.com, and we offer you a 100% money-back guarantee. Bookkeeping. Accurate and efficient bookkeeping is essential. This is a 2-day program of simplistic learning on how to create accurate and efficient books. You'll understand that bookkeeping is just keeping the score of the business activity. You'll know the keys and the flow of information that is bookkeeping, and we destroy the jargon while simplifying the process. And finally, how to design and produce accurate and timely financial reports. And finally, how your actions impact your financial statements. This is a powerful 1-day program of understanding how to make sound personal and business financial decisions. And what is financial success to you? When you understand what financial reports are telling you, you can take the appropriate action. And also know where your cash flow is in your life, or isn't. And design a successful financial statement today so that you understand that every decision that you make affects your financial statements. It's not the amount of training that counts at learnaccountingfast.com, it's the amount of learning that matters. And we offer you a 100% money-back guarantee. At learnaccountingfast.com, all of our programs are made simple by using accelerated learning, reported to be 600% more efficient way of transferring knowledge. We don't care how you learn, only that you do learn. At learnaccountingfast.com, we leverage your learning by actively learning and creating games where you learn from each other. And we support your memory with music, with musical songs and activities. We ensure that you know that you know that you know by using simple, memorable pictures that you can speak about. And we create a fun learning environment that I guarantee you'll remember forever. So let's briefly summarize the programs that are available at learnaccountingfast.com. First, we have Understand Your Numbers. Where do these numbers come from and why? Know your numbers. What are the numbers telling you? Manage your numbers. So what are your options now? And bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is accurate and efficient. We show you the complete process from start to end. And finally, how your actions impact your financial statements. This program will show you how to achieve your financial goals and objectives while you're on the job. I'm your host, Colin Burr. Thank you for watching this video. Go to www.learnaccountingfast.com to book your program now.